Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel. Yes, where good food and proper good clean vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Let's get to cooking. On today's menu we have some coconut curry chicken peeler with what? Shrimp. Of course, we have to season our chicken. Now, this was the night before, so I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning and yes, my Better Pack curry powder, the best curry powder in town. If you haven't tried it, I'm telling you guys, go ahead and pick you up a pack. And now I'm adding some salt. Look like enough, but it's not. Garlic powder and some onion powder. And last but definitely not least, I'm gonna throw in some black pepper. Yes, top it off with some black pepper. And now we're gonna rub it in, rub it up. Now guys, as I said, this was the night before, so yes, I was tired, so I forgot something important that I normally put on my curry when I season it, some oil. So I had to stop, dash a little bit of oil in there, and now I gets to rubbing again. So let's rub it in, mix it up. So you guys notice some pieces, they lack a little curry. So yes, I had my curry to the side, so I'm just throwing it on there. I guess this is my Texas voice. Vibes fam, yes, dash the curry powder upon there because no piece must be left behind. We are gonna season all of y'all. Yes, so seasoning it up, rub it up, and we're gonna cover it. Oh yes, with some cling film and dash it in the fridge because the next day we shall get to cooking. Yes, and just like that, I weed that. So here are my ingredients that I'll be using: some chopped up sweet pepper, onion, and of course my well seasoned curry chicken looking so beautiful. Look at you, look at you. And some spring onion, or what do you call it, scallion. Yes, some jumbo shrimp, or you can use the raw one, that's fine. Some chicken stock, well needed, and some coconut milk. You can't leave it out. And come through Better Pack curry powder, that's you. We need you. You are a necessity. Yes, and the coconut milk and the chicken, everything. So yes, to my hot pot I added some oil, dash in another pack of curry powder. I know my mom is gonna be like, why you use so much curry powder? Why you use so much curry? But yes, I just, oh guys, you need to smell this kitchen. You need to smell this up in here. So I'm just putting in my chicken to get them just a little bit, get the curry to burn on them just a little bit. Oh, I use chicken thighs and leg. So I'm gonna cut each thigh into two. So yes, so just get them, I'll get the curry to burn on it a little bit. Now I was a bit distracted, so they got just a little bit browner than I would want them to be. Hashtag mom life. But guess what? It's okay. I promise it's gonna taste so good just the same. Don't worry about it. Yes, we be cooking and momming and doing all the things that we need to do. A woman is so good at multitasking. It's all good. Yes, so flip them over. Flip them good. Y'all's chicken be looking so good. Now this piece right here, some would love all of them. Perfecto. But that's okay. So now I'm going to add my onion. Is one big onion I chop up, the sweet pepper, and guys, I just need the flavors to just so I'm putting it in there. Try get them down to the bottom a bit, right? And then we're going to cover it and leave it for just, oh, smell up the place. Yes, so this is it after about 5 minutes. I covered it and leave it. And guys, guess what too? Of course, you know, it's bring its own a juice and it's so good. When I tell you, I say, oh yes, Yes. So I am just getting my chicken stock ready. I cover it down, but I just want peeping at the pot. So 500 ml of water, and then I added my liquor stock thingy. You also can use the cube. You have them in cubes. So yes, guys, look at it. It's spring its own juice. I promise, me never add not even a teaspoon or a quarter nothing. I added nothing. It's spring its own juice. Love it, love, love, love. Right? So now I'm going to add my coconut milk. Now this you can, if you want, you can add the stock first and then make it cook for 5 minutes and then you add this. But anyway, I added the coconut milk first and then I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes because I'm telling you, I am all about the flavor being infused left, right, and center. So yes, add the whole light and make sure you have a good coconut milk in there. If you have your own coconut with grate and juice and all these things, perfect, even lovelier. Yes. So, but make sure you buy a good coconut milk. If you're from the tin, you get the proper heavy duty stuff. So yes, mix out my little chicken stock. Mix it out, girl. Yes. But me love extra flavor, so of course me I add another one. So while that's going in, I'm gonna season my shrimp. So some all-purpose seasoning and of course some curry. Not a whole pack, just a little bit. And mix it up and just set that aside and make we just look on the pot here. So yes, yes, Lord, can I tell you about the smell? Yes, so let's add the chicken stock and cover that down for another 5 minutes. And guys, VYBZ FAM, when I tell you about what I is smelling right here, can you guys smell the kitchen? Listen to me, man. Oh yes. So I tasted it and I was like, you need some salt. I'm gonna add some more black pepper too. Absolutely. You know, get a little shake. Me I try to be delicate with the chicken because remember them, you know, them would are easy for mash up. If you go in with a big spoon and I be all violent, them are gonna mash up. So yes, add your rice. I added some jasmine rice or basmati rice, whichever. Add whatever rice you want. Get a little, you know, make sure them get down in there and then cover it up. Yes, and let your rice steam. So while that are going, let's prepare the shrimp. So I'm gonna add some oil to my pot. Try stir it around, but you know, see how the pot stay. Of course, the oil not stay one place. So yes, add your shrimp. And I'm just trying to get the curry to just burn on them a bit. For give them a nice little char. Just a nice little look. Give them a little vibes, yeah? Just want to get them all beautiful. So I felt it needed just a little bit more oil because you guys know I don't like to use a lot of oil. So I just spray it just a little bit, spray it, and then now me make them small up themselves, fix up themselves, live together in one accord. And when they were well behaved, I flip them over and say, yes, now you can get your other side nice and brown and flavorful. Oh guys, and don't think them too brown or anything, you know, because I promise when you add them to the rice pot, which you're gonna do shortly, then you're gonna see them kind of not gonna look so. So yes, when the rice pot dry down, then you add your shrimp. So you get them partial. Remember, shrimp don't take long to cook, guys, so trust me. And then now you add the scallion. And then you try and stir up everything. Guys, I know the rice look like it don't cook, but trust me, jasmine rice cooks so fast. And if your rice seem like it not really cook and it tough, take a foil paper and put over the rice and cover it and let it steam. And I promise, nobody go throw a whole heap of water on it because you just might ruin your rice. Try and just use file paper, put on it and steam it. So yeah guys, stir it up. This meal you not even understand, trust me, amazing. So yeah, try and take off the rice off the chicken because you want to make sure them stay down in the pot and cook, so you can scrape them off a bit, and just like that cover it, and this is us. VYBZ FAM, done and nice, done and dusted. And oh my goodness, I don't know what to tell guys, I don't know what to tell you. No, me love when I say me love that meal here. Me love it. Love, oh Jesus, oh I feel like I feel like praising him. Guys, I don't know. Africa, listen, send the video to Auntie Pringles. Know the deal. Send the video to Auntie Pringles, because if you not gonna make it, Auntie Pringles is going to make it. Just send it to her. And tell her you want this, because I know Auntie Pringles are going to set you up nice. Yes, VYBZ FAM, this is delicious. I promise. Try it. Just try it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Me appreciate Thanks for the support, and thanks for the kind words to my subscribers who normally comment. Yes guys, like, comment and subscribe please, new watchers. Hey, and guys, please go follow me on Instagram one day. Follow me. God bless you.